Okay. So next we are going to write another one model of the letter, inquiry letter. What is important for an inquiry letter? What is very important for an inquiry letter? Say anybody is remember an inquiry letter. We need a reference. Inquiry letter. If it is for a service or a course, we need a reference. And what are the things we need to get from them that we can write it as a bullets 1 2 3. Yeah, what are the information we want to get from them? We can write it as an information 1 2 3 4 5 likewise. So now we are going to write about another one type of inquiry letter. Already course we completed and one service we completed. Wedding reception we completed. Oh, got it, children? Everybody completed wedding reception. Next, we are going with another one thing. See, you are Raghu or Ragini of Nasi. As a teacher in charge of an excursion party that in your school is sending on an educational tour to Ajanta and Ellora caves during the Christmas vacation. So what is the next we are going to write about a tour that in the tour you are the organizer, you are the teacher of a school in Nazi. So you want to arrange one excursion. Excursion means tour. Tour for the children to Ajanta and Ellora caves during the Christmas vacation. Where is this Ajanta and Ellora caves? Any idea? Where is Ajanta and Ellora caves?
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Okay. Yeah, see, the Christmas vacation, you are going to take your children to Ajanta and Ellora caves. So write an inquiry letter to Happy Tours and Travels Nazik seeking information regarding the transport, accommodation, etc. What you are going to do? You are going to meet or you are going to write a letter to the one tourist company in Nashik. What is the name of the tourist company? That only was highlighted there. What is the name of the tourist company? Happy Tours and Travels. Where it is? It is in Nashik. It is in Nashik. So you are going to write a letter to the tours and company asking, seeking about the information about the for all the necessities while we are going for a trip. Think children, what are the necessities or what are the things do you want to get from a tourist company? Suppose you are in the position of the teacher, what are the things you will ask? Say children, what are the necessities? You are going for a tour or you are going to conduct a tour. What are the necessary things you need to get from a tourist company? ഒരു ടൂർക്ക് പോകണം അതുക്കൊന്ന് ടൂർ കണ്ടക്ട് பண்ணணும் என்னென்ன necessity things നിനക്ക് വേണം
Ma'am, transport, ma'am.
டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட் என்ன பஸ் எப்படி இருக்குது பஸ் then
Then rooms where we'll be staying on the hotels information, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Hotels, types of hotels, 3-star, 4-star, 5-star, and likewise. Next,
Then food arrangement.
food. What kind of food they will provide to us? First, hotels. What kind of hotels? Then, what kind of food they will provide to us? Next, think பண்ணு சீக்கிரம். Only boys are saying. What about girls? They didn't go for tour so far.
Ma'am, for staying there,
we are staying in 4-star or 5-star AC room, non-AC rooms, then what kind of food they will provide to us in the morning? What is the breakfast? What is the lunch? What is the dinner? What is the refreshment? All these things we should know from a tourist company. Children, tourist nowadays, everything is coming as a package. While we are going for tour to Kerala or to Tamil Nadu, some other places, the teachers are not taking you to directly. We are approaching to the tourist companies or travels and tours, those who are conducting the touring program. Then only we will ask, okay, to 50 students are there. We need to go to Kerala to see Ernakulam or Cochin Airport. What will be the cost? 2,000 rupees. Then we will ask where you will make us to stay. What is the transportation you will provide to us? Then what are the other places of recreation you will take to us? What is the lunch you will provide to us? Will you provide refreshment on the way, or where you will provide food for us, or how many days of the trip? All these things we need to get from the tourist company. Am I right? So for that we are asking to write a letter. Here, the same way, you all are the teachers of the NASIC. You are going to ask about these details to a tourist company. What's the name of the tourist company? Happy Tours and Travels is NASIC. Got it? So what you are going to do? You want to take your children. A famous tourist place in Ajanta and Ellora. The rates for accommodation, the types of transport, all these things to a tourist company named Happy Tours and Travels. Got it, children? So start to write. What is the first component of the letter?
Sender's address without name.
Very good. Sender's address without name. So here they are giving us only teacher in charge of a school. School name is not given there. So you can write any school in the NASIC. So what is the next one?
Date.
Date.
Ma'am, you have given the grammar no, ma'am, subject verb agreement. We know we want to lose some pages, so we can continue with this letter, ma'am.
Yesterday, sir completed that one, no?
The 21 points, that's all, ma'am.
That's all.
Yes, ma'am.
Circular to all the students group regarding tomorrow's competition. I hope everybody saw that one. Is it so, children? Everybody had gone through that one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rangi, yes, that only I was shouting in the 98 group, 10th group. Or yes, na, yes, no, na, no, no. So that first one, English one competition is there, poster making, that you should can prepare in the form of PPT or slideshow or whatever it may be. It is based on the given theme for 3 minutes. Understood? So it is compulsory for everyone. 9A, all listen here. Everyone should participate at least one item. You should give the names to the group members. Group members collect the name and acknowledge it to me. Write in a sheet of paper, take the photo and post in our group. Okay. It is compulsory. Those who are participating will get a holiday tomorrow, and others, those who are not participating, will come for the revision and competition. 9th alone, I am telling. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, write the letter first. Write it first. Right, fast children. First sender's address. Next date, today's date or what the date is given there, you can write. Next, what is the next? Receiver's address with the designation. Here they are not giving any resignation, so you can write a designation. Suppose if it is a tourist company, we can write the PRO, the public relation officer. Likewise, we can write, okay, the or the manager, we can write the manager, Happy Tours and Travels, Fancy Bazaar, Nasi. Then what about the subject? I am giving one subject here. You no need to copy the same thing. You can write your own subject also. Write fast. Then next we are come to the content of the lesson. Panturan, dear sirs, that is salutation. Panturan Public School, Nasik is planning an educational tour of students and teachers to the world famous caves of Ajanta and Ellora. The tour party will consist of 20 senior teachers, senior students, 2 teachers, and a peon. We would appreciate if you provide us the specific information regarding the following things at the earliest. That is the content. So what are the necessary things we want to get from them? That is given it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers there.
Roll up.
Yes. What happened to Rail Karthik? Rail Karthik came. Sachin, Pranesh, Rail Karthik. Finish the letter. Any doubt in that? Here, second paragraph, they are asking types of the transport to be provided. Unmute yourself. Rates of AC and non-AC coaches, rates of budget or accommodation, rates for dormitory accommodation, separate accommodation they are asking. A. Separate rooms for teachers and peon. Itinerary as follows. What do you mean by itinerary? Itinerary is the travel description. Underline the word itinerary. Itinerary, underline the word itinerary. What do you mean by itinerary? Those who have the dictionary along with you, take and see what is the word meaning of the itinerary.
Ma'am, a planned route or journey.
A plan for a journey. Very good. Who is that? Mugundana?
Divya Darshan.
Divya Darshan. Okay, okay. Right, first, so December 20 departed from the Nasik, December 25 back to Nasik. That is our 5 days trip. Am I right? So they are at a complete transparency. What do you mean by transparency? The program should be very reliable. There should not be any malpractices. No hidden charges, please. Any other details regarding the educational tour will be appreciated. Completed, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next
No,
letter.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
എഴുത് ശീഘ്രം എഴുത്. Mukundan is in the class. Mukundan is here. Mukundan.
Ma'am,
Yarpa Muhundana. Raise your hand, Mukundan. Mukundan, 9A Mukundan. One second, children. Vail Karthik is on not here. Mukundan is not here in the class. Sir. Yes, Mukundan is here. Pranesh is here. Sachin Kumar. Monish. Monish not in the class. Okay. Okay, fine, children. I will show the screen. I hope you have completed this letter. Shall I go with the next letter?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what are the vocabulary words that you have underlined here? What are the vocabulary words underlined here? Say, children.
Itinerary.
Itinerary. I think only itinerary. Okay, you can underline that word alone. So next letter. How many letters we completed so far?
Fine, ma'am.
15.
5. Oh, minute. Hello? I think 5 letters is enough. Okay. So how many types of letters we completed today? What are the types of letters we completed so far? Letter to editor completed. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Letter to editor. Letter of complaint completed, children.
Completed, ma'am. Completed.
Okay, okay. And then letter of inquiry also completed. Fine. That's all now. What is
Yes,
left? How many letters are there for us? What are the types of letters for us? Challa. What are the types of letters are there for us for reading?
Letter to editor,
letter
to complete,
letter
or place in order, letter of inquiry.
How many are there?
4 letters, ma'am.
4 letters are there. So how many we completed so far?
3.
3 we completed. Which one is left out?
Letter for placing order.
Letter for placing order.
Letter for placing order is left out. Okay. Open the video, everyone. First, I will say the face of my beautiful children. So long, I am not at all seeing. So, girls, no need, pa. Girls, switch off the video. Boys, switch on the video.